going to add our chicken into the oil.
Okay, we're gonna let it marinate and cook on both sides before adding our vegetables.
Over now, and then after this we are going to cover it and let it saute in the oil for probably about 8 minutes or so. Alright, so we are now checking our chicken, and we are going to give it a good flip again and allow it to cook a little bit more, because we want to get a nice brown texture. So we are going to allow it to cook on both sides a little bit before we add our tomato paste and our vegetables.
We flip it just to make sure it's not catching on the bottom and sticking or burning.
So we'll come back in at the 8 minutes mark, and we are going to add our tomato paste, and then let it continue to simmer. At the 8 minutes mark, starting to look really nice, caramelizing nicely. Of tomato paste. Probably about 3 minutes, and we're going to check it again at that time. Beautiful.
3 minutes.
2 minutes gone.
It's been 3 minutes.
3 minutes gone, so we are going to now add our vegetables to here.
This is about 1 whole carrot, right?
Getting a large
large potato, tablespoon of sugar, 2 melted cubes.
Not to leave it lump. So when you melt it, it's kind of more liquefied, so it helps.
Right. Stir it up.
Oh, it's starting to look amazing, right?
Okay, so our burner is on low. We're covering our pot.
We'll cook for another 3 minutes. That's the 3 minutes mark. So now we are going to be adding the remainder of the ingredients and some water.
Peppers, okay. Hot pepper. Hot pepper. Bit of onion. Tomatoes. Curry. Thyme. Now we're going to add
drops of allspice.
Allspice, okay. Pepper.
Adding
1 cup of hot water.
You don't cut the chicken too small because you don't want it to squish. So you get nice big pieces of meat. If you cut it too small, it just kind of minces when you're turning and cooking.
Now we're going to cover our pot for 8 minutes on low heat. It has been 8 minutes. That's sweaty. Nice and juicy.
So we're going to add an additional 1/4 cup of hot water.
1/4 cup of hot water so that the potatoes can cook some more, become a little bit softer. And we're going to cover our pot and
3 minutes, it should be ready.
okay, let it cook for another 3 minutes.
It should be ready. But you can see the nice texture of the chicken, the nice color. Things looking so good.
So now it's 3 minutes.
It's nicely cooked and ready. Add to your plate.
Cilantro, green onion.